Short vowel sounds, phonics and reading. Egg and at words. I read first, then you repeat. Egg, egg, egg. B, egg, bag, bag. W, egg, wag, wag. T, egg, tag, tag. R, egg, rag, rag. Let us read some words. Gag, gag. Leg, leg. Mag, mag. Nag, nag. Flag, flag. Stag, stag. Drag, drag. Brag, brag. Let us read some sentences. I put my lunchbox in the bag. Tommy found a red tag on his backpack. I had to drag the heavy box across the floor. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. N, N, N. V, N, van, van. M, An, man, man. An, can, can. An, fan, fan. Let us read some words. Pan, pan. Plan, plan. Ran, ran. Tan, tan. Ban, ban. Plan, plan. Scan, scan. Dan, dan. Let us read some sentences. The man is walking to the park. The blue van is parked in the driveway. I put the bread in the pan to bake it. Good job! Let us go to the next lesson. At, at. B, at, bat, bat. At, rat, rat. At, mat, mat. At, hat, hat. Let us read some words. Sat, set, pet, pet, fat, fat, chat, chat, that, that, flat, flat, brat, brat, prat, prat. Let us read some sentences. The rat ran fast across the yard. The cat quietly sat on the mat. I wear my red hat when it is sunny. Good job! Let us practice by reading more. Egg words. Bag of apples. A flag on the hill. A dog in a bag. A tag on the coat. And words. I can run. She has a plan. A fan is on. A tall big man. Add words. Look at the hat. Pat the cat. I like that cat. The rat is fat.